Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Fiesta Sport, stock reference number 5730. The shape runs from the 9th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has an M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. 1 litre M1JE 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. Left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left hand doors have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage, spoiler tight. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has 2 dents. Right guard has 2 dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater control, Sony single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.